Sunday, what time?
Again, it's up. We have to decide, because first of all, if you all read and agreed with what I uploaded,
Yeah.
the thing is that after all the readings, we really have to decide about are we just structuring moving as we answering the questions, or are we talking about creating new culture for a company, like internal culture. That's what you have to decide, the whole group have to decide, because it depends how research will move. Because I can't continue, because I will do lots of useless things if we won't decide now. Because if we'll decide we're just answering the questions, I'm doing exact articles, I'm reading about that, find examples, that's it. It's just what we have. And then we obviously just say, writing the script, thinking if it's birds or talking animals.
One thing on the sort of creating culture thing, I was looking at that earlier, and I was just thinking, you remember when we did the NHS essay last year, we sort of focused on how hard it was to change the culture. So I was thinking, rather than change the culture, it was more managing the existing culture effectively
I was actually
oh right, okay, that's good.
Because it's, I mean, this point that actually multicultural organization probably like in 50 years will manage to create their own, but not now.
No, definitely not,
So it will be kind of, I think it will be hard for us.
So
there are lots of information, but it will be hard to deliver.
So if we just demonstrate sort of different methods managers could use to
so it's
sort of
easier.
create.
Create. So these questions about what are the conflicts and what kind of cross-cultural conflicts occur and stuff, they're quite interesting.
Yeah.
I mean, and probably important. So if we'll try to answer, 3 of them, I can delete one. Depend on how much. We have 8 minutes, just don't know. We can do 3, but then we can just cut.
But I definitely think sort of, if we acted out like a story, so we showed stages sort of, as you said, there's, in the introduction we can show that for a company to start off with, to incorporate diversity and prevent conflict, obviously if they recruit the right people, and then teach people from outside the company who are coming in about the diversity and so on. Then I was thinking if we do that as an introduction, and then we could sort of come out with a possible conflict arise, or two, and how they've arisen, and
we can come up with that. Yes, you should have adequate people. Yes, you can teach them, but conflicts still can occur. And then I will try to rephrase these questions and make them a bit more simple. And if it's still, there is a possibility that conflict can occur, so how will we resolve it? And it's much more simple than creating our own culture. We can do lots of mistakes, so I was afraid of that. It's it's really interesting idea, but not for students.
But Sunday, I don't know, might be able to meet up on Sunday. It's just that an overseas friend's coming from Belgium for the weekend, so, but Sunday, I should be able to, be able to fit time in.
I can do my Monday evening after 4, because, I mean, the problem is that we have to do poster till next Thursday, and we definitely have to write a script, too much things to do. That's why I think that if we'll meet only on Tuesday, then we won't be enough time. So that's what I'm afraid of. That's why I'm saying that we definitely have to meet.
Well,
definitely not tomorrow. Saturday, not sure. Really. So I was thinking Sunday or Monday, and then Tuesday, because we don't have poster at all.
No.
I mean, we have the points.
But the good thing about the poster is, once we've, it's quite easy to make.
I didn't get, by the way, we won't have the lecture next Thursday?
No.
But we still have to present the poster.
No, we've got an extra week.
The other week.
So
Yeah.
we can focus on the script really if you want.
Oh, so it's not.
It's
Sure,
not
because
Yeah. No, Jeff just said that
Yeah.
that it's
Yeah, so
got
next
another
week
week
is
now.
not-
so we're
Yeah.
presenting
So-
next Thursday.
So realistically,
Yeah.
we can
Uh-huh.
focus on the
Good.
script.
Yeah.
for now.
So it's not necessary to then to. But
Yeah, but still
I was
time to
just
relax.
thinking because
Mhm.
we don't have lots of free time to meet because everyone has different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So because if we'll at least try to finish the script, let's say on Sunday, we can start slowly
Planning it
shooting
all,
on
yeah.
Tuesday.
Yeah. Sounds good.
That's the thing. Because when it will be finished, actually I was told that this voice recording is absolutely free. I asked, I'm sure about that. So the thing is that when script is finished, there's just not a lot of time to think where we should, and you just need to organize all these things. That's why we need time. That's why I think it's Sunday or Monday, I don't know. Guys,
I'm okay with Sunday.
Yeah, I'm fine with Sunday as long as it's sort of late afternoon, evening maybe. Would that be alright?
you know what? I mean, we can, for example, meet around like 3 or 2, and you can just join. I mean, it's not.
Yeah, it's not that pressing. As long as I
Yes.
come along, then okay. Yeah, sure.
3 good?
At Headington Library, I mean Gypsy Lane.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Gypsy Lane.
Mhm.
I will post on Facebook.
Where is the guy, by the way?
Oh,
No,
maybe
no,
it's
into
mixed.
it. Okay.
Oh, yeah, no, no.
So yeah, I think that I will just add the examples and the theories about these questions, and then we'll sit. He was actually right about questions. It's a good idea because they can ask the question anybody, not just me
Yeah.
or research group. They can ask anyone. So yeah, just read the references. So yeah, okay. But I really think that it would be really nice for you to make research about some kind of data.
Yeah, because it'd back up the whole reason for the whole DVD,
Yeah, because
wouldn't it?
we'll talk about theories, obviously, but if
Yeah.
they'll show some kind of a research we've made about numbers, they will be, I mean, not impressed, but they will like it, I'm sure, absolutely sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, besides, it might also support the whole idea about why
Yeah.
we want to sell the product.
And the thing is,
why-
yes,
Yeah.
because when you're selling it to you, actually, when you're talking with investors, when you're showing the numbers,
It makes, yeah.
because when you're talking about, I read this book, blah, 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 they're like, no, okay, but when you show the numbers, guys, we have a problem, and we are giving you as kind of like solution,
Yeah,
they
like,
will,
Because along that, I mean, you can have like cost estimates.
yeah.
I mean, related, I mean, to all those
Mhm.
time lost in
Yeah,
cost.
cost saving, yeah.
Yeah.
Because like you said, was it 20% of managers' time is used up in,
yeah,
resolving
but
conflict?
again, it's 1992.
Yeah, but still, if there's a more relevant information and we show something like that, it just makes them think, oh, maybe this product will be useful. Purchasing it will save time and money, time and money. So, yeah, it's just as simple as that, really. But yeah, something like that, yeah, good idea. One thing in terms of the script I was thinking is, realistically, we could have a reasonable proportion of the video being sort of voiceover with pictures and things to to instruct rather than just video. But obviously have video in
Yes,
between.
I agree.
Yeah.
Because the thing is that it's also some kind of research. Modern people really like the moving pictures.
Yeah.
If you will be just static, or somebody standing, or just even the conversation will be a bit boring.
Yeah.
But if we'll do the pictures, then a bit of the story, like managing,
Yeah.
like an example. If it will be different, if it will be different. I mean, for example, we'll have some kind of introduction. I don't know. Then we'll show the figures. Then, I mean, it should be different. I'm not sure about fruits and animals.
Yeah, that'd be pretty random.
I really like the idea of animation, but
It's just hard, isn't it?
nobody can.
Think
yeah,
how
it's
many
really
hours it
hard
would
to
take.
do. So what? Sunday 3? I'll book the room
Sunday 3.
tomorrow. Okay.
But no, yeah. So my friend's visiting this weekend. They come tomorrow at 5, so I'll query them on that. 'Cause I'm not sure when they're going back, but I think it'll be fine.
You can just.
I'll be able to tell you tomorrow night.
Okay.
If it's not, it shouldn't be that. I can't see why
Yeah,
not.
if we are meeting on Sunday, not everyone need to come. Seriously.
Yeah, it's not compulsory thing that you
Yeah.
have to come. It's just absolutely up to you.
It would be just nice if we have your idea.
Input,
I
yeah.
mean, if we, have an example, and if you disagree or agree, it would be just good.
Different opinion.
Yeah, just if you have time.
Yeah, I'll like to come anyway.
I'm good.
Yeah,
so-
I mean, for the editorial and Nadia, should go there.
Yeah, definitely. Right.
So I think that's all.
Yeah. Okay.